Hello, here's my first attempt at a gyroscope. I've got my brand new variable power supply, 30 volts, 5 amps max. I've got a little hair dryer motor you get off from Amazon. I believe this was like an 8 or 9 volt motor, but I'm running her a little higher than that. So, and I got a bearing for a spinner on each side and one on the bottom for the yaw. So we're going to go ahead and spin this up and see how she goes. But it is rock solid in the yaw axis. I'm spinning the base on the bearing, and you notice it's not tilting any. Rock solid when you go to touch it too. It stays where you put it. Pretty amazing. It's a little bit, this ring is a little bit out of balance. I don't think my motor's perfectly centered up and down. That's why it's rotating around, because it's moving. But a very good proof of concept towards a 3-axis fully stabilized gyro platform. That's my goal. But you've got to be careful rotating the base of it, because you can see I'm barely moving it. And look at the air it puts into the yaw, puts into the pitch. Right there, it really smooths out. But this base is not connected to this orange ring. There is a ball bearing between the base and the ring. It's rock solid. If you want to change the angle, you just do this. I got a lot to learn when it comes to gyroscope. Boy, it's really solid there, running 25 volts. That motor's not going to last very long for running it like that, but you can really see how stable it is. I mean, it's not moving up and down at all. It's really neat. And you can feel it resisting you pushing it. It pushes back when you push down on it. Okay, let's go ahead and power it down. Let's run her at 12.5. See how it does. It's still working pretty good. You still get the gyroscopic effect. It's just not as strong. And you know, my weight's not 100% balanced. That's right off the 3D printer. All this is right off the 3D printer. I did have to put a little glue on a few spots that broke. I got to do a little bit more robust design, but I'm really happy with it. That's at 12.5. Go 9. It's got a little more vibration in it right now, but you're still getting the, it's still stabilized. Six. You still have the effect, it's just not as strong. You can see I'm rotating the base and there's just a little air. Not bad. Not bad. Let's take her up one more time here. rock solid. Look at that. Rotating that base is not moving. And you can see as it powers down, it loses its stability, and then there it is. It's just a free floating gimbal. Pretty neat. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll post more videos as the time progresses. Thank you.